Hey guys, yesterday I changed out the stock pipe on my 2008 BMW R1200 GS Adventure with an aftermarket pipe by Two Brothers, the Black Series carbon fiber pipe. And I just spliced a video together to compare the two as far as sound. I ran the bike at idle, which is 1500 RPM, and then again at 3000 RPM. And then again at 6,000 RPM, and spliced all those scenes together so you can kind of get a comparison on what the bike sounds like in case anybody out there is on the fence about maybe getting an aftermarket pipe. You can kind of compare for yourself. Hope it helps. $1,500 RPM.